सो आज आम्ही गव्हर्मेंट कॉलेज बोर्डा कन्झ्युमर वेलफेअर सेल आणि NSS बरोबर आयज स्पेशल आम्ही रोड सेफ्टी विकाचो एक रोड सेफ्टी अवेरनेस एक्शन आयज आम्ही कॉलेजा भायर केले आणि विषय असो आसा की स्टुडंटा भितर एक सेफ्टीची जागृती हाडची त्याच बरोबर रोडार कितें चलता कशें खूब जाण हेल्मेट घालता पूण स्ट्रॅप घालना तशेंच सीट बेल्ट घालना आनी कित्याक तें सगळें गरजेचें आसा त्याच बरोबर आयज आमी एक थाराव घेतला की रोड सेफ्टी पेट्रोल हे ट्रॅफिक पुलिसाची स्कीम बरी स्कीम आसा भुरग्यांक अवेरनेस करपाक सो तें आमी हांगा स्थापन करतले कॉलेजीन आनी त्याच बरोबर आमी ट्रॅफिक वॉर्डनची स्कीम आसा ट्रॅफिक पुलिसाची हांगा आमी अवेरनेस करतले आनी तेजी जागृताय करतले आयज ह्या कॉलेजाक आमी कित्याक स्ट्रेस दिता कित्याक हे कॉलेज आतां ऑटोनॉमस जाल्लेले आसा म्हणजे तांकां गव्हर्मेंटान स्पेशल एडवांटेज दिल्लेले आसा तेंचे खूब प्रोग्राम आपले ओन करपाक शकता आनी ताका लागून गव्हर्मेंट कॉलेज हाचे बरोबर आमी खूब वावरता आनी गिरायकाचेर तो विशय आसा रोड सेफ्टी आनी रायट टू सेफ्टी अंडर कन्झ्युमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट हेजेर खूब स्ट्रेस करता आमी ताका लागून आयज हो प्रोग्राम आमी घडोवन हाडला
of Government College of Commerce and Economics, Boarda, Margaon, and NSS unit of our college. We are very thankful to first of all to Goa Can for giving us opportunities to celebrate this as a road safety week, which is one of the important thing. Nowadays what we can see, that most of the people which are dying, especially in Goa, are only because of the not wearing helmet or wearing it inappropriately. This is a major mistake which most of the people are making. So just to make them aware, we have created today a road safety rally with our student of entire first year, second year, third year. We have also told people today, how to wear them helmet, in appropriate manner, as well as those who were not wearing seat belts, allow them or basically made them to wear their seat belt properly, and hopefully people will be making this awareness rally into their hearts and understand, the importance of the road safety, in this today's world. Yes, thank you.
What is your good name, sir?
Dr. Sudesh Shekhar.
Thank you.
CWC in our college. Now we organize this road safety week and we celebrate it every year consistently for about 3-4 years now, and with a motto that our students should be safe, they should understand the road discipline, they should understand the traffic rules, and they should also understand their responsibility when they are on the roads. So we also tell them, like, whenever they face a problem, they can always lodge a complaint or write to the Goa Can, so that they are also aware what we are going through. And very soon we will be part of that RSP, and our students who are more than 18 years of old, they will be joining, because Roland Martin sir, who is always there with us, he is there for all the activities of the consumer welfare cell. May it be like awareness of suicides, awareness of consumer rights, awareness of road safety. So he is always there with us, wherein we also benefit, our students also benefit. I am very thankful to the transport cell, the RTO cell, and also the traffic police for being here with Roland Martin sir. I am so much thankful to you, sir, for bringing all of us together, because we are the major stakeholders. Thank you very much, and the media also. Thank you.
माझे नाव साहिल मडगेकर, जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट कॉलेज बोर्डा. आज आमच्या कॉलेजीन रोड सेफ्टी ड्रायव्ह जाल्लो आशिल्लो. आमच्या कॉलेजीचे भुरगे इनवॉल्व जाल्ले तातून. आमी एक रस्त्यार मेन रोडार वचून आमचो तो एक ड्रायव्ह घेतलो, सगळ्यांक अवेर केले. त्या रस्त्यार वताले, हेल्मेट घालनाशिल्ले, हेल्मेट घालून बेल्ट घालनाशिल्ले, तांकां आमी अवेरनेस क्रिएट केले. तशेंच आमी गाडयेन जे मनशां वता गाडी घेवन तांकां आमी सीट बेल्ट घालपाक कंपल्सरी सांगपाचे प्रयत्न केले. आनी तशेंच आमचे फाटोडा PI, ट्रॅफिक PI आणि ताचे सगळे एसिस्टंट प्लस डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट हे येवन हे दोगांनी कोलॅबरेट करून आज आमकां एक बरी स्ट्रेंथ दिली जी ट्रॅफिक अवेरनेस करपाक. ताचे खातीर हांव सगळ्यांक देव बरें करून म्हणटा.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.